Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let us start. To do this trend, you need CapCut application. If you have CapCut, click on the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in CapCut. Now after this, click on Use Template and add your 58 photos. After adding your photos, click on Preview. Now your video is ready. Now check your video and then click on Export. Now your video is ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.